Available for the Air Arc Canopy is the universal side panel. So it can fit on either side, nice and easy to fit. So you have the side panel itself in the matching acrylic in the same colour. 3 pieces of figure of 8 channel and some white plastic beading. On the Air Arc Canopy, close to the air tube, you'll notice there is a white sleeve. This is where your plastic beading will go into, and that just slides straight in. And once that has been put in, you can leave it in there. Once that's in, you then move on to your figure of 8 channel, and your figure of 8 channel has 2 sections. One's going to be used for the white beading on the canopy, leaving you the extra channel there to then slide in your side panel. One figure of 8 down at the front, and 2 going towards the back. Now you're ready to slide in the panel. Sliding it into position. Now that you've got it there, as you can see on the panel itself, you have some ties at the front and one at the back. So you just need your caravan step or chair to do the one at the back. You can see you've got your little ring for that to tie round. And then down at the front, the black ties wrap around the leg tube. And now you're ready to peg. Always starting in the back corner. It's going to come out at a slight angle, and that'll be your first pegging point. You want that slightly underneath your caravan to get the panel as close to the van as possible. Then down to the front. Without dropping your peg. And then fill in the gaps. As we've said at the start, the side panel is universal. So if you're going to fit it on the other end, you would simply take out the pegging rubber and fit onto the D-ring the other side, just like that. And there you have the side panel for the Air Arc.
Don't forget, if you like our videos of awnings and accessories, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.